Why didn't y'all win that game?
People ask that, and it's really a dumb question. I'm sorry, because you can't never say, why didn't you win? Well, maybe we missed a shot here or there, but you
They
know what?
scored more points than you did.
You know what? This is the thing, and I tell people all the time: when you have a guy that have the same will that you have, it's set up for one of the greatest games ever. And that was one of the greatest games ever in the playoffs under those circumstances in the seventh game, where you had two guys who did not want to lose. And talking about being unconscious, I said, well, if he's going to continue to hit shots, I got to do whatever I can to keep us in the game. And we went toe to toe, and it came down to virtually the last shot.
And whenever we talk to Hall of Fame or legends, this is what people always talk about that separates you all from the rest, is being able to go into the zone at another level when you need to.
And the thing about Larry and I, we look forward to going head to head. There was no hiding, no ducking. And that's how you measure your greatness, by playing against the greatest. And I wouldn't trade those years for nothing in the world.
Let me ask you this.